Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm doing a review on Abbott EAS 100% Whey Protein. This is a 2-pound bin, which I got at Target for 17 bucks. It was actually marked down. And the 5 questions I really like to ask myself when I buy protein is, what are the prices? How many servings am I going to get per container? How many grams of protein? How does it taste and how does it blend? So we'll cover all of those right now. It has 26 grams of protein, which I like, 6.3 grams of BCAAs, and 1.6 grams of glutamine. You're getting, let's see if it focuses right there, 23 servings per container, which is really, really good actually. The fact that I don't work out every day, I work out like 4 times a week, it always lasts about a month. I always end up actually taking it into a week into the next month. So about a month, or about 5 weeks. So let's get to it. Let's just blend it up. Let me just grab something here. Of course, if you're going to blend protein powder, you got to have some milk on you. So, and here's the thing. I have to see if I can open this with one hand. Hang on a second, guys. Sorry. I just got done with the workout, so if I'm gasping for air, that's what's going on. What we have in here, this is actually not the scooper that came with this protein powder. I opened it up and I looked inside. There was no scooper inside, which is really weird. So I looked up on the internet which one it was, and it's actually much smaller than this. You actually take 2 scoops, which is about 29 grams, I think, per serving. No, 39 grams per serving. And this actually this scooper came from Body Fortress Whey Isolate, which is 36 grams, so it's basically the same as 2 scoops of this, which is what you're supposed to take. So I'm just going to take 1 scoop of this. Nice. Throw it in there. Make sure it's plugged in. Take some 1% milk. There we go. Back up, put the thing on it, let it go. I'll let it go for about 20 seconds, I'd say. Nice. And I just gotta get this out of the way. It's not easy with one hand. There you go, get this open. Got my handy New York Mets cup. Nice, Wright, and Wheeler. These 2 are out already. It sucks. Doesn't even, and this is the chocolate flavor, guys. So I know it looks like vanilla. Hang on, let me bring it into the light. It's really hard to see. Okay, so that's chocolate flavor, but it looks vanilla. So that's weird. The mixability doesn't seem too bad, honestly. Here's how you tell. There's a few particle, things right here, right there. Overall, not too bad. So, mixability, it's pretty good. So, the price is good. The servings per container is good. The amount of grams of protein is good. Mixability is good. How about the taste? It's good. It's actually really good, guys. Yeah, it tastes like chocolate. I'm not gonna lie. It's not like Nesquik, Hershey syrup chocolate, but no, it really does taste like chocolate. Yeah, that is really good, guys. I cannot recommend this protein enough. I'm gonna be buying a different protein every month, and doing reviews on them. So, out of 10, I give this protein a good 10 out of 10.